Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm trying to do a close-up, so I'm on a tripod. I don't know if this has got enough light on it or not, and I'm going to try and straddle the tripod and keep everything here in focus. So this is a plug off my 427 motor. 9,000 miles, AC Delco 41-104 original. And I wanted to get everybody's opinion, or somebody's opinion, on the color of the plug. I'm replacing it with some NGK TR55, which I think the cross-reference for this is a TR6. So this is a little bit hotter. And what I'm trying to get rid of maybe is in first gear at slow speeds, I've got some surging that goes on. Other than that, the car runs pretty good. I have had some plug wire issues, burning up coil issues. I'm going to fix all that. I'm going with some MSD wires and the NGK TR55 plugs. What I'm asking you for, and what this is all about, is gap. So this gap, and I don't have a gauge that I like very much, but this is 0.035 there and 0.040. So 0.035, it's bigger than that, and 0.040, it barely goes through. It doesn't really go through. So I'd say it's about a 0.038 gap on this. And now we'll try and have a look at the color on it. Excuse me, I'm playing with the light on one hand. That is about, sorry, it's about as good as I can get it. Maybe if I use the flashlight. Hold on a second. All right, let's try this. My rechargeable bulbs or batteries are starting to go out, but let's try it anyway. So there. Gosh, I don't know. That's it. So tell me what you think, and tell me what you would. I think the plug looks okay as far as the temperature of the plug, the 41-104 original plug. But tell me what you would put the NGK gap at. Would you go 0.040? I am getting a better gauge, and so I am going to be checking what they'll probably come preset at 0.040. I'm guessing. But tell me what you think, and I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later. Froggy out. Bye. Here, I think this is much better. I've got the big light, and I'm just holding it in my hand. So. Okay? Thank you.